Hi everyone, my name's Anne-Marie. Welcome to a brand new episode of Cut TV brought to you by www.craftsuprint.com. Today we're going to look at a gorgeous kit from a Snezanz cards. The cup number is cup 1048749_1641. It's called the Male Cream Card All Occasions Mini Kit. Nothing mini about this kit. You get 6 sheets in it, you get lots of decoupage and sentiments, and it's for an 8x8 inch square card front. I'd like to show you what's in the kit and then we'll go ahead and make the card. So the first sheet is actually the card front. It just shows you a brief design of how the card's going to look when you've made it. So the first sheet is the main card front, and you've got some extra tags as well to coordinate with the card front. The second sheet is a bonus of the first sheet, so you've got 2 card fronts. They're both the same, but you could use them in different ways. We've then got the decoupage to build up the card front and lots of sentiments, both blank and with sentiments on, so that you can pick the occasion that you want to use the card for. We've got even more decoupage, which is a repeat of the previous sheet that we've just looked at, and just a little bit of a different design on these. We've got the cars on this, or we had the people on the previous one. We've got one insert and the extra bonus phone with some blank sentiment panels, and then we've got the extra insert with the car on. Now the first thing I'd like to do, showing you how to make the card. This is an 8x8 inch square ivory card base. I'm going to turn the card over, and on the back I've taken the image of the phone, and I've got double-sided tape on the back. I'm just going to peel that off and add the phone just in the centre of the card, press it down, and then I've taken one of the blank labels and I've just added "Made for You" by Anne-Marie. So I've just written that on. I've got flat tape on the back of this, and I'm just going to add that on the front of the phone, as if it's a message. I just think that's really cute. So now we can turn the card back and we can add the insert to our card. Now I think everything mixes and matches that there is with this kit. So I think you could use one insert and then the extra card front. It wouldn't matter because they're all so beautiful. They all tie in together. So I've chosen the insert. It's got the people on, and all I've done is added flat double-sided tape on the back, and I'm peeling the back of the tape away, and then I can insert this into our card. There we go, and then press it down, and that's our insert. Then we can turn our attention to the front of the card. Now the base image for the front of the card, I've cut it out. I've got flat double-sided tape on the back. I can peel the tape away and position this in the centre of the card like so, and then press it down. Then we can start building up the decoupage. The first layer that I've cut out is smaller than the previous layer, and that's where the decoupage comes in, building into a 3D design. I've got 3D foam on the back, and I'm just going to position this over the top. There we go, and press that down. Our next layer is the watch. I've cut the watch out. I've got 3D foam on the back, and I'm just going to position this over the previous layer. I've then got the phone that I've cut out, 3D foam on the back, position this over the previous layer. I've then got the pen that I've cut out. Again, 3D foam on the back. I can position this. There we go. And then to finish our card off, I've taken one of the sentiments that says Special Dad, and I've got 3D foam on the back, and I'm just going to pop the sentiment just in one corner, just at the side like that, and press that down. And you can see how our layers are mounting up, and it's just a beautiful card. From back to front and the insert all matches perfectly. I'd like to remind you of the cup number. It's cup 1048749_1641, and you can see any of the Snezanz card designs by going to the Craftsuprint website and searching for a Snezanz card. I would just like to say thank you so much for watching, and I shall see you next time.